Hi, it's Dave again. Today we're going to share with you how to install an outside air hood on an Innovent unit. The pieces for the hood come in a plastic wrapping found inside the unit. Separate the hood sheet metal pieces from the screen pieces. Lay out all the gray sheet metal pieces from the hood. There should be two sides, a top and a bottom piece. Lay out the bird screens and the flashing pieces for the sides. Using the screws provided, fasten the side pieces of the hood to the middle. Screw this narrow bottom piece of the hood to connect the sides together. Now the hood can be attached to the outside air opening on the unit. Hold the hood against the opening and use the pre-punched screw holes to fasten to the unit. Depending on the size of the hood, you may need additional people to hold the hood in place. Now the bird screen can be attached. Start by taking the front gutter and lining it up with the edge and with the top of the hood. The hood does not have pre-drilled holes for the flashing. Start by drilling a hole into the hood at each location on the flashing. Drill each hole, but do not try to connect the flashing until each hole has been pre-drilled. This will make installing the front gutter easier. Now connect the front gutter and slip the bird screen into the opening. Line the flashing up with these new holes and secure it to the hood. Next, connect the side flashing and then the bottom. Apply silicone to the top and the sides of the hood, as well as the gutters.
For further support, please reach out to the technical support team. Again, thanks for watching the video today. For other videos, please check out and subscribe to our channel.